Here is one way in which you can reduce the battery usage of your Samsung phone other than switching to battery saver mode. It's known as performance profile. And at default, it'll be set to standard, which will be a sort of balancing between processing speed and battery life. And to find this feature, let's go ahead and do it together. So one way to get this feature enabled or change, you can go into the quick access and pull down on the toggles here and look for performance profile. And if it's not there, you want to tap on this pencil icon right here. As you do this, you'll see the edit option in this area here. And when you do that, you'll see the available toggles, and performance profile will be somewhere in here. And it depends on your phone model if you have this or not. But when you see it, tap on it, it's going to appear into the quick toggle section, and then just go ahead and press done, then press done again. And now when you bring this down, you will see the performance profile as one of the quick toggles here. Now you can go ahead and single tap it to switch to uh, the battery saver mode feature, or undo it to switch it back to the standard. Also, long pressing it will take you straight into the performance profile here. And the other way around is to use the settings, and in the search bar here, go ahead and type in the words performance profile. So performance profile. And as you type it, you'll see the suggestion here. You can go into it and it's going to take you straight to it. And again, standard is your usual usage, and then light will allow you to prioritize battery life and cooling efficiency over processing. And that's that, like and sub.